Hello children, good morning. Welcome to Elga online class. Okay, yeah children, today we are going to cover Elga 4 day 7 of unit 4. Okay, yeah students, today we are going to cover Elga 4 day 7 of unit 4. What is the today's topic? Travel to neighboring countries. Travel to neighboring countries. Okay, yeah children, today we will learn about phonics story. Okay, in the phonics section, phonics story. Okay, yeah children, listen. See the slide. Yeah children, first I will read the story. Listen carefully. Okay, yeah, after listening, yeah children, you will repeat. Okay, yeah children, listen. Frank. Frank. Fr. What is the middle sound? Fr. A. K. Frank. Fr and K. Frank likes to draw. 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 B. Draw. Okay, yeah children, listen carefully. Frank likes to draw. He draws a frog. He draws a frog. Okay, he draws a frog. A green frog. He draws a fruit. He draws a fruit. Next, he draws a frog. He draws a frog. He also draws things that has friends like. Okay, yeah children, now once again I will repeat the sentence. Yeah children, please repeat after me. Okay, yeah children, listen. Frank likes to draw. He draws a frog. A green frog. He draws a fruit. He draws a frog. He draws a frog. He also draws things that his friends like. Okay, yeah children, once again I will give 5 seconds time. Okay, yeah children, you will read the story independently. Okay, start. Your time start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Yeah children, I hope you all complete this story. Very good. Yeah children, now take your worksheet. Worksheet number 10. Take soon children. Page number 92. Take soon children. Yeah children, take your workbook. Page number 92. Worksheet number 10. Okay, yeah children, you have attended the online class. Take your Elga reader book, worksheet, pencil, eraser and sharpener with you. Okay, yeah children, I hope you all take your page number 92. Okay, yeah children, listen. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks with the correct blend from the options given. Fill in the blanks with the correct blend from the options given. Okay, yeah children, listen carefully. See the slide. Look at the picture. What is the first one picture? Question number 1A. Yeah children, there are 2 blends here. Yeah, circle the blends. Okay, yeah children, listen. Fro blend, the another one blend is draw blend. Yeah children, which one is the correct answer? Which one is the correct option to the picture? What is the picture? Yeah, very good. Fry. Say all of you, fry. So, which one is the correct answer? Fro blend or draw blend? Yeah, very good. Yeah, children, listen. Fro blend is a correct answer. Yeah, children, listen. Now, see the slide. Fro. Fry. Fro. Fry. Next, question number 1B. What is the name of picture? Dragon. Say all of you, dragon. Which one, which blend is the correct? Dra or fra? Very good. Dra blend is a correct answer. Dragon. Dra, dragon. The next one picture. Fruit. Fruit. Fra. Fra, fruit. Fra, fruit. Next. Question number 1D. Dra, draw. Dra, draw. Dra, draw. Next. Question number 1E. Drink. The girl is drink the water. Okay, yeah children. Which blend sound is correct? Dra. Dra, drink. Dra, drink. The another one blend is fra. Friday. Fra, Friday. Fra, Friday. The next one blend is dra. Dress. Dra, dress. The last one blend is fra, frock. Fra, frog. Yeah children, now I will give the time for 10 seconds. Quickly children, complete the answers. Okay, your time start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, very good children. Awesome. Next. Yeah children, in our today's class, now let us learn the whole words. Okay. Yeah children, whole words means what? Whole words means we do not use the phonic sound. Okay. Yeah children, this is called sight word. My first whole word is decide. Say all of you, decide. Yeah children, listen. Say all of you, what is the whole word is this? Decide. Once again, decide. Yeah children, say all of you, decide. Once again, decide. Okay. My next whole word is reach. Say all of you, what is this? What word is this? Reach. Once again, reach. Okay. Next. The next whole word is ready. Say all of you, ready. Ready. The next whole word is happen. Say all of you, happen. One more time, happen. Okay, very good. Yeah, children, now look at the board. Whole words. The first whole word is decide. Say all of you, decide. Read the spell. D-E-C-I-D-E. Decide. The next whole word is reach. Say all of you, reach. R-E-A-C-H. Reach. The next whole word is ready. Say all of you, ready. R-E-A-D-Y. Ready. The last whole word is happen. Say all of you, happen. H-A-P-P-E-N. Happen. Very good. Yeah children, now look at the slide children. Decide. My first whole word is decide. D-E-C-I-D-E. Decide. Yeah children, now look at the sentence. Which one is the whole word? Yeah children, listen. Tia and Priya decide to go to Colombo. Once again, Tia and Priya decide to go to Colombo. Okay, yeah children, in the sentence, decide is a whole word. Next, did you decide what to eat? Did you decide what to eat? Yeah, in the sentence, decide is a whole word. The next whole word is reach. Say all of you, reach. R-E-A-C-H. Reach. They reach Sri Lanka and people welcome them. Read the sentence once again. They reach Sri Lanka and people welcome them. Okay. Now I know how to reach school. Children, repeat once again. Now I know how to reach school. The next whole word is ready. Repeat once again. Ready. R-E-A-D-Y. Ready. They are ready to get into water. Read the sentence one more time. They are ready to get into water. The next sentence is I am ready to go on a holiday. Children, once again repeat. I am ready to go on a holiday. The last whole word is happen. Say all of you. Happen. What do you think will happen next? What do you think will happen next? Okay, next. I will not let anything happen to you. I will not let anything happen to you. Okay, yeah, children, listen. Our whole word section over. Now let us learn reading and listening comprehension. Okay, yeah, students take your worksheet, page number 92. Take soon, children. Now I will give the time for you, 10 seconds. Students, please take your worksheet, page number 92. Okay, yeah, children, now I will give the time for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, yeah, children, listen. Yes, students, I hope you all take your worksheet, page number 92, reading comprehension. Okay. Yeah, children, now I will read the story. Listen carefully. Read the story below and draw conclusions. Okay. Yeah, children, listen. Suki is from Japan. Okay. Suki is from Japan. She came to my house last year. She came to my house last year. We write letters to each other now. Okay, yeah, children, listen carefully. We write letters to each other now. What is the meaning of this story? What did you understand? Yeah, very good. Yeah, children, listen. Suki is from Japan. Suki அப்படிங்கிறது ஒரு பொண்ணு. அது வந்து எங்க இருந்து வந்திருக்காங்க? Yeah, she is from Japan. ஜப்பான்ல இருந்து அந்த பொண்ணு வந்திருக்காங்க. எங்க வந்திருக்காங்க? Our country. நம்மளோட நாட்டுக்கு வந்திருக்காங்க. எங்க? India. Which is our country? India is our country. Okay, Suki அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு பொண்ணு இந்தியால இருக்கக்கூடிய அவங்களோட ஃப்ரெண்டை பார்க்கிறதுக்கு ஜப்பான்ல இருந்து வந்திருக்காங்க. She came to my house last year. எப்போ வந்தாங்க? Last year means போன வருஷம். போன வருஷம் என்னோட ஃப்ரெண்டு என்னோட வீட்டுக்கு எங்கேருந்து வந்தாங்க? ஜப்பான்லேருந்து வந்திருக்காங்க. வந்துட்டு அவங்க திரும்ப மறுபடியும் என்ன போயிட்டாங்க. We write letters to each other now. நாங்கள் இன்னொரு வரைக்கும் நாங்கள் என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம்? நான் சுக்கிக்கு லெட்டர் எழுதுனேன். அதே போல் சுக்கியும் எனக்கு என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க? லெட்டர் எழுதுவாங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. Next, look at the next one picture. Do you know what Chuki wears? She wears to what? Kimono. Say all of you. Kimono. Kimono is a one type of clothes, one type of dress. Okay, yeah, children, in our country we are wears cotton clothes. Okay, your mummies are wearing saris, chudis, cotton clothes. Next, silk saris. Silk saris means pattu thuni. Okay, yeah, children, listen. Yeah, in Japan people wears to kimono. Say all of you. Kimono. Kimono means what? This is one type of clothes or dress. Okay. Yeah, children, once again I read the story for you. Listen carefully. Suki is from Japan. She came to my house last year. We write letters to each other now. Do you know what Suki wears? She wears a kimono. Say all of you, kimono. Okay, very good. Next, your children, worksheet number 11, page number 93. Okay, yeah, students listen. Reading comprehension. Look at the picture. Yeah, do you know what she eats? She likes to eat sushi. Say all of you once again. Do you know what she eats? She likes to eat sushi. Okay, yeah, children, look at the picture. One girl is sitting on the chair and get ready to eat. What is the food item is this? Sushi. Say all of you, sushi means this is one type of food items. Okay, next, look at the next one picture. Do you know she can do magic? Next, look at the next one picture. A girl is sitting on the chair and doing something. ஏதோ மேஜிக் பண்ண போறாங்க. என்னது? உடைஞ்சு போன அந்த broken the glass tumbler. உடைஞ்சு போன டம்ளர்லாம் என்ன பண்ற போறாங்க? கப் எடுத்து திரும்ப ஜாயின் பண்ண போறாங்க. how? magic பண்ண போறாங்க அந்த பொண்ணு. Yeah, children listen. Do you know she can do magic? She can join broken cups. அவங்க என்ன பண்ண போறாங்க? broken cups means உடைஞ்சு போன கப்பை மறுபடியும் என்ன பண்ண போறாங்க? join. Okay, broken cups. She says people call it what? Kintsugi in Japan. Say all of you, this magic is called kintsugi. Okay, she says people call it kintsugi in Japan. நம்மளோட இந்தியாவில் என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம்? மேஜிக், மந்திரம், மாயாஜால வித்தை அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். பட் இன் ஜப்பான் கின்சுகி. இன் ஜப்பான்ல வந்து என்னன்னு சொல்றாங்க? கின்சுகி அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. ஓகே, your children listen once again. The first one girl is eat something. Okay, your children, do you know what she eats? She likes to eat sushi. Next, do you know she can do magic? She can join broken cups. She says people can eat kintsugi in Japan. Okay, next, question number 1. Look at the picture and tick the correct conclusion. Okay, your children listen. She is joining the cup. First look at the picture all. Your children, first look at the picture. What do you think? இந்த பொண்ணு என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க? என்ன பண்ற மாதிரி தெரியுது உனக்கு? Your children listen. She is joining the cups or she is breaking the cups. இந்த பொண்ணு என்னது? கப்பை ஜாயின் பண்றாங்களா இல்ல கப்பை உடைக்கறாங்களா? What do you think? Which one is the correct answer? There are two options given. Your children, you say which one is the correct answer? She is joining the cups. Or break the cups. Which one is the correct answer? Yeah, very good. She is joining the cups. Very good. Next, pick the sentence that says what will happen next in the picture. Look at the next one picture, children. What do you think? It will say she will drink water, she will eat food. Yeah, which one is the correct answer? Yeah, she will drink the water. No. Yeah, she will eat food. Yeah, children, take your pencil, tick the correct answer. Very good. Next, children, worksheet number 12, page number 94. Take soon, children. Children, take your worksheet 12, page number 94. Reading comprehension. Complete the following sentence. Okay, yeah, children. Question number 1. Which country would you like to visit? Yeah, children, this is your opinion. Okay. Which country would you like to visit? உனக்கு எந்த country போய் visit பண்றதுக்கு உனக்கு பிடிச்சிருக்கு? Your children, student can write the name of any country. This is your wish. Okay, which country would you like to visit? Your children, listen. I would like to visit Malaysia. This is my opinion. Okay, I would like to visit Malaysia. Okay, your children, which country you like? Write it. Okay, next, number 2. Read the underlined word and circle its meaning. She can join broken cups. Yeah, children, broken cups means what? The 2 answers given. What is the meaning of broken? In many pieces or full. Which one is the correct answer? Full or in many pieces? Yeah, very good. In many pieces. In many pieces is a correct answer. Okay. Next. Question number 2b. She says people call it kinchugi. Call means what? To give a name or to hit. Yeah, children, listen. To give a name. This is call. Okay. To give a name is the correct answer. Yeah, children, take your pencil. Tick the correct answer. Take your pencil. Tick the correct answer. Very good. Yeah, children, listen. The same page number 94, worksheet number 12. Question number 3. Rewrite the sentences using capital letters correctly. Rewrite the sentences using capital letters correctly. Yeah, children, the first sentence, question number 3a. Ria has a cat named Rosie. Yeah, children, this sentence is correct. What is the mistake? Yeah, very good. There is no capital letter. There is no big letter. Okay, yeah, children, listen. Ria has a cat named Rosie. Okay, next. Yeah, children, Rosie is also big letter. Why? Because it is proper noun. Okay, next. Question number 3b. I have dance class on Monday. I have dance class on Monday. Yeah, children, listen carefully in this sentence. I have dance. Yeah, children, I is a big letter. Okay, I have dance class on Monday. Monday is a proper noun. So, yeah, children, M is a big letter. So, at the end of the sentence, we'll put full stop. Next. Question number 3c. We are going to China. We are going to China. Yeah, children, listen. B. W. What is the first letter? W is big letter. We are going to China. Yeah, China is also proper noun. So, we put C is a big letter. Okay, the end of the sentence will put full stop. Next, question number 3d. My best friend is Sham. Yeah, children, listen the sentence carefully. My. What is the first letter of in this sentence? M. Yeah, here M is small letter. This sentence is wrong. So, yeah, children, I want to rewrite the sentence big. I want to write the big letter or capital letters. M. My best friend is Sham. Sham is a proper noun. So, you put big letter S. Okay, end of the sentence you will put the full stop. Yeah, children, take your pencil now. I will give the time for 10 seconds. Quickly, children, complete the answer. Okay, your time start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, yeah, children, did you complete the answer? Very good. Yeah, children, listen. Now take a worksheet. Page number 95, worksheet number 13. Look at the picture and answer the question. Yeah, children. Yeah, children, listen. See the picture. What do you think? Look at the image. Some children are dancing. Somebody are singing. Yeah, children, listen. What is the picture mostly about? Look at the picture and answer the question. What is the picture mostly about? Your children listen. Some children are dancing and singing. Somebody are playing. Okay, your students, now I will give the time for 20 seconds. Okay, your children, I want to think what is the picture mostly about. Okay, your children, your time start now. Quickly all of you think yourself. What is the picture mostly about? The குழந்தைகளா என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க அப்படினு சொல்லி நீனா guess பண்ணு. Okay, your children, I will give the time for 20 seconds. Your time start now. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Okay children, now see the answer. What is the picture mostly about? The picture is mostly about children singing and dancing. Children singing and dancing. Okay. Your children, now let us learn the grammar section. Yeah, okay, listen. In the grammar section, now we will learn common and proper noun. Say all of you, common and proper noun. What is the meaning of common and proper noun? Yeah, children, listen. Common nouns means, common noun is a name of any person, animal or thing. Okay, this is called common noun. Yeah, children, listen carefully. Once again I repeat. Common noun means, common noun is a name of any person. Okay, name of any person. அது யாரா வேணாலும் இருக்கலாம். Okay, name of any person, animal or things is called common noun. Okay, yeah, children, listen. Next, proper noun. Proper noun is specify the person particularly. Okay, குறிப்பிட்டு சொல்றது. Yeah, proper noun is specify the person, animal or things is called proper noun. Okay, yeah, children, now look at the slide. All the nouns that begin with the capital letter are proper nouns. Okay, yeah, children, proper noun நாவே அது mostly எப்படி இருக்கும்? Capital letter. Okay, it is begin with the capital letters. All the nouns that begin with a capital or capital letter are proper nouns. Proper noun talks about a particular person. Particular means ஒரு குறிப்பிட்டு சொல்றது. யாராவது சொல்லாம இவங்க தான் அப்படினு சொல்லி என்னது? குறிப்பிட்டு ஸ்பெசிஃபை பண்ணி சொல்றது. Particular person, animal, place or thing, that is why they begin with the capital letter. Okay. Next. Now one example. Your children, now observe this sentence. I live in a big city. I live in a big city. Your children, listen. This I is also written in a capital letter. Why the I is written in a capital letter? Because when we talk about ourselves, when we talk about ourselves in a sentence, we use the capital letter I. Okay, children, did you understand? Are you clear? Okay. Next, children, listen. Why are some words starting with capital letter while others are beginning with small letters? Yeah, children, listen. The Ganga is a very long river. Look at the sentence. The Ganga. Yeah, Ganga, first letter is a big letter. Is the another letters are small letters. The Ganga is very long river. The second sentence. Rohan will visit America next month. Rohan will visit America next month. Next, third one sentence. I live in a big city. I live in a big city. We are going to Pune. The fourth one sentence, we are going to Pune. Your children, listen. You will find out the nouns in each sentence. First, dear children, you will find out the noun in each sentence. Think if that noun is a common noun or proper noun. Okay, dear children, first you identify the noun. Next, you will think this is common noun or proper noun. Okay, next. Then write that word under the right column. Okay, dear children, listen now. Look at the slide. Your children, first take your note. Your students, take your note. Separate two columns. The first one column is common noun. The another one column is proper noun. Okay, your children, listen now. From the sentence, first identify the nouns. Okay, next you will separate which one is the common noun and proper noun. Common noun. Your children, in this sentence, what are the common noun? River, school and city. Okay, in the proper noun, what are the proper noun? Ganga, America and Pune. Okay. Okay, students. Okay, your children, now let us revise the today's class. Your children, in the phonics section, we learnt about phonics story. In the whole word section, we learnt some whole words. Okay, happen, reach. Okay, ready. Okay, next. Reading comprehension in the conclusion. Okay, next. Common and proper noun. Okay, your children, did you like this class? Okay, children, very good. Have a nice day. Bye. Your children, homework. Today's homework. Your children, look at the slide. Common and proper noun. Write in your note 2 times. Okay, take one, open the new page, fresh page, write the today's date and write the common noun and proper noun 2 times. This is your homework. Okay, children. Thank you. Bye bye. Happy learning. Have a nice day, children. Thank you.